Hello students, this is Vinay sir, your mathematics teacher. Once again I welcome you all to the online class organized by Alchemy School. In previous class we all have seen what is cube and how we can find the given number is perfect cube or not. Today we are going to discuss how we can find the smallest number by which the given number is multiplied to make it perfect cube. We will try to understand it by taking some example. So let's see how we can find such number that is multiplied to the given number to make it perfect cube. The first example that I have taken here is 243, and these examples I have taken from exercise 7.1. So let's see by which smallest number 243 will be multiplied to make it perfect cube. So first of all we have to factorize 243 and we have to find 243 is perfect cube or not. Okay, so when we factorize 243, we know that 243 is an odd number, so we cannot divide it by 2. So let's try with 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 243 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Students, we can make the group of 3 same factors. So first group we have completed for this 3, but we cannot make the second group for this 3 because 1 3 is missing from here. Okay, so if you want to make 243 perfect cube, you have to multiply it by 3. When you multiply it by 3, we have to include one factor here, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and this 3 will be multiplied here also. So now we have the group of 3 same factors. Okay, now when we multiply 243, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So 729 will be perfect cube. Okay, so simply here we can write 243 is multiplied by 3 to make it perfect cube. Okay, let's see the next example. The next example is 256. The same procedure we have to apply here with 256. First we have to factorize 256 and then after we have to make the groups. Then after we have to make the groups of 3 same factors. Okay, so when we factorize 256, we can factorize it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So now 256 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times 2 we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2. So now we have to make the groups of 3 same factors. So first group we have made here for 2, second group we have made for this 2, and third group we cannot make for this 2. So 256 will be multiplied by 2 to make it perfect cube. Okay, when 256 is multiplied by 2, we have to include this factor to this side also. So 2 into 2 into 2, we have one group, into 2 into 2 into 2, this is second group, and 2 into 2. Now we have to add this factor here also. So now we have completed this third group also. So when we multiply it, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. We get 512 and 512 will be the perfect cube of 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 512 will be perfect cube of 8. Okay, we have to find the number by which the given number will be multiplied. So easily we have written here our answer 256 will be multiplied by 2 to make it perfect cube. Okay, let's try to understand the third example, that is 675. Okay, so when we factorize, the same procedure we have to apply with this number also. First we have to factorize 675 and we have to find the prime factors of 675 by applying prime factorization method. So when we apply prime factorization here, 675, okay, so we know that 675 is not divisible by 2, okay, so we have to try 675 to factorize by 3, 3 2s are 6, okay, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, okay, 225, 2, 2, 4 and 5, 9. So this is also divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15. 7 5 12. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So we can write here 675 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now we have to make the group of 3 same factor. So first group we have for this 3, but we cannot make the group of this 5. So 675 will be multiplied by 5 to make it perfect cube. We can see how when 675 is multiplied by 5, we have to add this 5 to the factors of 675. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. This factor will be added here. So now we can complete the group of 3 factors. First group we have for 3 and second group we have for 5. Okay. So when we multiply these two numbers, 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carried. 5 7s are 35. 35 and 2 37. 3 will be carried. 5 6 are 30, 30 and 3, 33. So we get 3375 and this 3375 is the perfect cube of 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. We have to find a number that is multiplied to the given number to make it perfect cube. So the number will be 5. 5 is multiplied to 675 to make it perfect cube. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you all. Let's try to understand the next topic. Okay students, so next topic that we are going to see here, that is find the smallest number by which the given number is divided to make it perfect cube. It is as similar as we have discussed the previous topic. Okay, first of all we have to find the given number is perfect cube or not, and we can find it by factorizing. So when we factorize 128, okay, so 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we can write here 128 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2 we have here? 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now we have to make the groups of 3 same factor. So one group we can make here for this 2, one group we can make for this 2, but we cannot make the group of this 2. So if you want to make 128 as a perfect cube, so you have to exclude this 2 from this factor. To exclude this 2 from the factor, we have to divide 128 from 2. So when we divide 128 by 2, we have to divide here also. So 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It will be also divided by 2. This 2 will be excluded, and when we divide it, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 64, and this 64 is the perfect cube of 4. Students, 128 is divided by 2 to make it perfect cube. So we can write 128 is divided by 2 to make it perfect cube. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, let's see the next example that I have taken here. The example is 135. Same procedure we have to apply here. We have to factorize 135 first, and then after we have to make the group of same factor. So when we factorize 135, we can find, okay, this 135 is an odd number, so we cannot divide it by 2, but we can divide it by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. So 135 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. One group we can make for 3, but we cannot complete the group of 5. So 135 will be divided by 5 to make it perfect cube. So we can write here 135 is divided by 5 to make it perfect cube. I hope it is clear for you all. Practice for these things. When we meet again, then we'll discuss on some next topic. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you so much.